Yo, am I tripping? Or is that a kid?
Where'd you come from, little man?
I'm from Greenwich.
Greenwich!
What's that?
Just putting on some fresh ink.
What's Brass City?
That's my hood, little man. Because we don't know where you're going. All you got is where you from.
Got any games here?
Oh, yeah. We got games.
Go!
Little man gets the win.
Nice haul, kid. You're a natural.
You guys can keep these, by the way. I'm not allowed near fire since I burned down my house. Say hi to my dad if you see him.
You gonna stop setting fires?
I promise.
Good day.